In this lesson we're going to look at creating a basic animation. So in SolidWorks, if you open up Motion Study at the bottom of your interface, if this is not here, go to Options and Customize, and on the list, the toolbar option, you should see MotionManager. Ensure that this box is checked and click OK. The next step in the process is to make sure that the motion engine selector is set to animation. This is seen on the left of the screen, and select animation. If you look at the timeline on the bottom of your screen, you can see a number of options. You can zoom in and out in the timeline at the bottom right hand corner by zooming in or zooming out. The next step in our animation is to set the key points at the start. So the key points can be seen here on the left. So if we make sure we've selected the very start on our timeline, we can move our object to its desired starting position. Just click and drag your piece to the desired starting position, and that will have set it for the start of our animation. To complete this animation and giving it a desired endpoint, we must first click the endpoint in the timeline and move our object to desired position for the end of our animation. We can then view our animation by clicking the Calculate button on the left of the screen, and our animation will play in front of us. You can copy key points by hovering over them with the mouse, right clicking and selecting copy. Then move to a desired position in the timeline for the end of our animation, and right click and click paste. So now we've pasted the original starting point to another point in time further on in the animation. And we can view this now by clicking calculate or play from the beginning or play. You can see now that we have two separate key points in our timeline. We can edit key points in the timeline also. This can be done by holding Control and clicking and drag. So hold Control and click and drag the key point to any point in time, and you can see the green line is now broken green line. This is inserted a pause. So if we click calculate, we can see the animation starting from that point. To view the animation from the start, we have a play from start option. So you can see now when it reaches the end of our green line, the animation is paused. So that's basic animation.